All right, guys, before we get this video started, a little update on Ghost. Got the downpipe in. Barker's coating has ceramic coated the new downpipe, and this is the 5-inch Huron Speed or Huron Speed. It does clear the electric water pump very nicely indeed. We got Barker's coating and effort of PA to go ahead and coat the upper charge pipe the same color as the turbo. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty freaking good. What do you think, Mitch? Like, it's beautiful. Like, it is. I just hugged it. Like, it is so freaking. I just love the green. The green really sets off everything in this car. We got all of our piping done for the intercooler as well. So we have the piping going around the back here. Got our alky hooked up. Got that all done. I did not get that done in green. I just didn't feel the need to. You're not really going to see it all that much. And then, of course, we have our other charge pipe all hooked up into our 6-inch intercooler as well from Huron Speed, or Huron Speed. I keep saying Huron Speed, but yeah, guys, just wanted to put this in here real quick. The car is coming along very, very nicely. Mitch is looking, where's Mitch at? Mitch is looking for parts for his car, so his car is going to be going and getting ready here very soon as well. What do you think? Pretty happy?
I think I appreciate everything that's happened already.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's going to be great.
Just a few other parts that we need yet.
Yep, definitely. All right, guys, let's get this video started. Hold on. Max, get the hell out of that car, man. What are you doing at DFR again, ya? What are you doing? Triple. Hi, Mike.
Hey, buddy.
You gonna go do burnouts?
We're gonna go do a burnout.
Let's go do burnouts, buddy. We're gonna go across the street to Advanced Auto Parts, and we're gonna test out the line lock on Grandpa Vet, who we just finished up. So it's gonna be pretty awesome. You can't even see Max. Like, he's not even there. Oh! That's hilarious. Oh my god.
Advanced doesn't care?
No, they don't care. Well, they love us over there.
Awesome.
Vance loves us over there.
I'm ready for a good time.
Yeah, it's gonna be an awesome time. Doing burnouts in parking lots and shit. Yeah, as long as it's not busy over there, they don't mind if we come over there and test out some products and stuff. Now we got to play Frogger going across the street here. Go! Scooby-Doo. Where'd he at? Inside? Oh, is he? He don't need no water bottle, man. Mike, what are you doing? Is that for your hi buddy, how you doing, man? What's up? All right, we've gotten permission from Advanced Auto to do a nice little burnout and test out the line lock. Make sure it's, oh my god. Make sure the line lock works properly. Streetspeed717 is definitely gonna make it happen. His video most likely has already been up, so that's okay. We're gonna get some better shots of it then. Hi, Max. I like your shirt, dude. Oh, turn 14. I know them guys. Yeah. You need some air in your front tires too, dude.
Yeah, no, they are looking a little low.
Yeah, they are, dude.
Shut this up at.
Look here.
Obviously it's not.
Your tire's not even wet anymore. Obviously, we tramp stamped it for him. Oh, he needs instructions. All right, hold on. Turn that off.
Buttons on.
Nope, turn it off.
Okay.
Pump the brakes as hard as possible.
Like all the way to the floor?
Yeah, pump, and then hold it to the floor.
Okay.
And then flick the button, and then put it in first. And then you can let go of the brake and start your burnout. And when you're ready to go forward a little bit, when you want to stop the burnout, either you can stop, or you can flick the switch down, you'll go forward a little bit. Oh shit! Dude, look at the freaking rubber. Stop right there, Mike. Holy shit. Wow, dude. That shit's still smoking.
I need new tires.
That's not my fault.
I didn't think it was gonna be like, oh my god.
Hey guys, have it. The line mount works the way it's supposed to be working. Yeah, these tires are trashed. Oh, look how sticky they are, dude.
That line mount works. Oh my god.
Dude, I know.
It's track prep.
Dude, it's track prep now, man.
That is insane.
That's my dually right there.
Dude,
That's my dually marks.
I can't believe it works that well.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Yeah, dude, for real. Oh my god. You got to shovel this up, Mike.
Holy crap.
You have to shovel this up.
That's an awesome picture.
Holy
line lock
shit.
works.
We do have line lock
Good job,
working.
Andy.
Thank you, sir.
Dude, I gotta relax with this shit. I didn't gotta.
I told you, man. I fucking told you, dude.
Without the brakes being on it, it spins a lot more, I guess.
Yeah. Well, it relieves the pressure, so no brakes are applied back here.
Yeah.
So you can just go for as long as you want.
That's insane.
The nice thing is you can shift it manually.
Yeah, I shifted.
Oh, did you shift? Okay. Yeah, that's nuts, man. Dude, look at, oh my god.
Unreal.
I cannot get over this still smoking.
That's a little more than I honestly wanted to burn out. But
That was only like 20 seconds.
screw it. Yeah, I know.
15, 20 seconds of a burnout, man. It wasn't that
Went all
bad.
the way back to the curb. Some got on the light pole. Yeah, I'm like surprised how much it's still smoking.
It's because it's a soft tire. It got hot, man. Well, you're definitely going to be heated up for the track now. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Appreciate your cooperation in this parking lot test that we did. I stuck some in my mouth.
That tastes good. Yeah. I didn't know I was going to burn that much off. We just installed line lock, so I've never used it before. I was not prepared for how much rubber that was going to burn.
Remember the one guy, he had rubber going halfway up the boulder?
Yeah, we remember him. All right, we're back at the shop. We got meth injection coming from across the parking lot here. Whoa, man, look at this thing, dude.
Oh yeah, she's dirty.
This actually looks really nice for their kit. Like this is the first time I've ever seen their twin turbo kit on a C5 or anything really. So
There's
this
still
actually,
some things I gotta modify and things like that, but
yeah.
I just want to make sure the car drives. A lot of people don't understand that on YouTube.
Yeah, it looks like it's fucking working. You drove it all the way from,
It's drove an hour and 10
yeah, I was gonna
minutes
say
here.
an hour and 10 minutes to here, so
Yeah,
I don't see why. You might as well take that math out of there and go, I thought you were speed density.
I am.
So take that math out of there. You don't need that thing.
I'm gonna.
Take it out of there and put a tube there and be done with it.
Just haven't done it yet.
Yeah. I kind of like this. This kit looks nice. You know what I love about Huron is the black intercoolers, dude.
Definitely.
Because you can't see them.
Yeah,
You just cannot see the intercoolers. It's,
I'm gonna black these pipes out and everything.
get them powder coated.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah,
And then
just
I
get 'em
wanna
powder
put, like
coated.
a heat blanket underneath the intake because it gets pretty hot.
Does it?
Yeah.
I bet everything gets pretty hot on this fucking. I'm telling you, you should have ceramic coated these headers, man.
It actually doesn't.
Here, be careful. You have you might want to get a zip tie and tie that to here or something. That's touching your header down here, boss.
I think I got plenty of wires in the back.
Yeah, it's touching the header on that side. You're gonna have to zip tie that up or something. See that down there? Be careful. Yeah, there. I'd tie it up to that, and this one too. Tie that one over there too.
Yeah.
You'll notice if it burns up, it'll be like pop, 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 pop.
Oh yeah. I'm not scared to party. We all know that.
Oh, we know you're not scared to party. It's kind of scary to know how awesome you love partying. Honestly,
Definitely.
nice kit, man. Very, very nice kit. I like it.
I'm excited to see once I get the other pump in.
We're all like Huron Speed whores now.
Definitely.
You know.
Yeah. I'm not.
When are you gonna be a Huron Speed whore?
When he gets his.
Look at
man
him.
card.
He's like, whatever.
When he gets his man card.
Oh, whoa.
Wait, just wait till the next build's done.
Yeah.
I'll be hurting your feelings.
Oh
I'm
shit.
ready.
We got Max calling people out already. With his. What happened to your arm, buddy?
So.
Oh, maybe we shouldn't put this on camera.
No, that's fine.
Oh.
It's fine.
Is it PG
like
rated?
12:30 at night.
swapping my rear diff on my car.
What? On the Beamer?
Yeah, because I blew it.
Yeah.
And freaking, they're like a V at the bottom. Had the jack under it.
Oh,
and
no.
I kicked the jack while moving.
Mm-hmm.
My hand was on the concrete.
Did it break it? Just sprain it.
Severely bruised and slight fracture or some bullshit.
Oh, you're gonna have to switch hands now, huh? That's sad.
I'm ready.
Oh, he's
Oh, you're golden, yeah.
He's going. He's good to go. He's good to go. All right, guys. So there you have it. The line lock on the C6 on Grandpa is done. Mike is obviously extremely happy with how the car is all set up and how everything has turned out. I'm extremely happy. We're going to be hitting up the dyno with that sucker probably next week here sometime down at Keith's Pit Stop in Gettysburg. It's going to be pretty epic. We're going to try to make as much horsepower as physically possible with the stock fuel system and the stock fuel pump in that car. So we'll see how that all works out. It's going to be hard to tell, but hopefully it all works out good and we can run the 200 shot of nitrous on that system. I tried convincing Mike to get himself an independent fuel system for the car, and I think I might have him convinced so we can run a 200 shot very, very safely, maybe a 250 shot on a plate system, something like that. Usually those plate systems, they're rated for about 200, well, the plate systems actually are rated for 400 horsepower, but the neck of the intake manifolds on LS's can only flow about 200 horse worth of fuel and nitrous. And the reason for that is because they are afraid of puddling in the intake and having a nitrous or a fuel backfire, which is going to be a bad thing if that were to happen. So usually a 200 shot is about the most you want to run on a plate system as what Grandpa has on that car. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram is Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.